Today I have for you the China Moo bathroom vanity and cabinet. And this thing is beautiful. High quality ceramic sink, great vanity itself, but let me give you a close-up look. All right, as you can see here, this beautiful ceramic top. This is going in the cabin we're currently building. So I got to get a faucet. Let me give you a look inside here. So this is all you assemble yourself. This took me about 3 hours, but that also included me taking a lunch break. Nice deep drawers to hold all of your products. In here, I just show the instructions. The instructions are super, super detailed and helpful. I didn't have to redo anything, so just a really nice, easy assembly. And I loved, let me come back and show you here. I loved that I could do the wood grain for the inside, or I could do white, whatever the preference was. And I like the wood grain better. But this is 30 inches wide. It's just over 34 inches tall, and it is really stunning. Love these brass handles. Really great product. The China Moo bathroom vanity and sink.